Have you ever pondered the secret behind the monetary success of many YouTubers? The allure of creating content and earning income from it is indeed intriguing. Today, we delve into the world of YouTube monetization, uncovering the steps to transform a passion for video creation into a reliable source of income. The first step is as simple as it is crucial. Create a YouTube channel and start making videos. Remember, content is king. The more engaging, creative, and unique your content is, the better. It's all about attracting viewers and subscribers. After hitting at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, you become eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program. This is the gateway to monetization. This is the tool that will allow you to earn revenue from ads on your videos. It's free to set up, and it's how YouTube pays its creators. Ad revenue is just one way to earn from YouTube. There's also channel memberships, merchandise shelf, super chat and super stickers, and YouTube premium revenue. Each of these features provides another stream of income, and they all add up over time. Use YouTube's built-in analytics tools to understand what's working and what isn't on your channel. Use these insights to refine your content and improve your monetization. In summary, earning money from YouTube isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires creativity, consistency, and a keen understanding of your audience. Channel creation and growth are the foundation, and joining the YouTube Partner Program is the key. Google AdSense is the tool that allows you to earn from ads, while other monetization features like channel memberships and merchandise shelf provide additional income streams. And lastly, constant analysis and optimization are the secrets to long-term success. So if you're thinking of taking a plunge into the world of YouTube, or if you're already a content creator looking to monetize your passion, remember these steps. They might just be the roadmap to your YouTube success.